hope they'll find me in my home. Guitar in my hand, I hope they'll find me in my home. Hey, down here is a link to a little free workshop I made with you in mind. If you play in a band, I've got just a little workshop, 35 minutes, quick lessons on how to make your band sound better, how to make it sound great. And it's free, it's made for you, so check that out. Hey, why this song by Zac Brown Band, The Day That I Die? I was watching this 23-year-old YouTuber, Philipp Mickenbecker, who just passed away recently because of cancer. And the thing is, he knew it was coming. He knew the day was close. And he lived his life to the fullest. He died happy. He died content. He died at peace. And it amazed me. It really just kind of got me thinking. And that's why I'm doing this song, because this song has this chorus that it says, I believe that I was born with a song inside of me. And you know what? I believe you were born with a song inside of you. It doesn't have to be a song, like a literal song, but I think you were born to do something. And, chase that. Like, just go all in and go chase that, because you've got something. You've got something unique that nobody else has. And just pursue that. So write down in the comments, like, what is it that you're chasing after? I'd love to know. Let's chase after our songs together. So here we go. Take one. The click is rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Early morning in a hotel, sunshine trying to keep on through. Lost sleep, but I found a tune stuck inside my head. Cigarettes and a tank of gas, headed off to nowhere fast. Gotta find a way to make this feeling last. 'Cause I believe that I was born with a song inside of me. Never questioned why. I just kept on chasing that melody as time goes by. It's funny how time can make you realize running out of it. On the day that I die, I want to say that I was a man who really lived and never compromised. And I lived out my days until the very end. I hope they'll find me in my home, a guitar in my hand. I hope they find me in my home, a guitar in my hand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Parted down to be ashamed of. The good people are supposed to be up. But I found peace with the path. I laid down my head. Sorry, guys. Crossroads, you gotta choose. Which way to win or lose? But every bone in my soul says sing on through. 'Cause I believe that I was born with a song inside of me. Never questioned why. I just keep on singing these melodies as time goes by. Funny how time can make you realize running out of it. On the day that I die, I want to say that I was a man who really lived and never compromised. When I live out my days until the very end, I hope they'll find me in my home, a guitar in my hand. I hope they'll find me in my home with my guitar in my hand. Whoa, whoa. say that I was a man who really loved and never compromised. When I lived out my days until the very end, you can find me in my home, a guitar in my hand. You can find me in my home,